In the quest for weight loss, a low-calorie diet plays a vital role in creating a calorie deficit and achieving your goals. By incorporating a variety of low-calorie foods into your meals, you can fuel your body with essential nutrients while keeping your calorie intake in check. In this article, we will explore a comprehensive low-calorie food list that will help you on your weight loss journey. Understanding low-calorie foods. Before we dive into the food list, let's discuss what low-calorie foods are and why they can be beneficial for weight loss. What are low-calorie foods? Host explains that low-calorie foods are those that provide a small number of calories per serving while still offering essential nutrients. Emphasis on the importance of incorporating these foods into a balanced diet for sustainable weight loss. Benefits of low-calorie foods. Host highlights the advantages of low-calorie foods, such as their ability to fill you up while contributing to a calorie deficit. Discussion on how these foods can provide essential vitamins, minerals, and fiber without excessive energy intake. Nutritious low-calorie food options. Now, let's explore a wide range of low-calorie foods that are not only nutritious but also delicious and satisfying. Fruits and vegetables. Host showcases a variety of low-calorie fruits and vegetables, such as berries, leafy greens, cruciferous vegetables, and citrus fruits. Suggestions for incorporating them into meals, salads, smoothies, or as snacks. Lean protein sources. Host discusses lean protein options like skinless poultry, fish, tofu, and legumes, which provide essential amino acids with fewer calories. Ideas for grilling, baking, or sautéing these proteins for flavorful and satisfying meals. Whole grains. Host explains the benefits of incorporating whole grains like quinoa, brown rice, oats, and whole wheat products into the diet. Suggestions for using whole grains as a base for salads, stir-fries, or as a side dish. Healthy fats. Host highlights low-calorie sources of healthy fats, including avocados, nuts, seeds, and olive oil. Tips on incorporating these fats in moderation for added flavor, satiety, and nutrient absorption. Incorporating low-calorie foods into your diet. Now that we have our low-calorie food list, let's discuss how to incorporate these foods into your daily meals and snacks. Meal planning and prepping. Suggests meal planning and prepping as strategies to ensure low-calorie foods are readily available and can be easily incorporated into meals. Tips for batch cooking, portion control, and storing meals for later use. Smart snacking options. Provides ideas for low-calorie snacks such as Greek yogurt, raw vegetables with hummus, air-popped popcorn, or fruit slices. Emphasis on mindful snacking and portion control. Balancing nutrients. Reminds viewers to focus on creating balanced meals that include a combination of low-calorie foods from different food groups. Tips on incorporating proteins, fibers, and healthy fats to promote satiety and optimize nutrition. Understanding caloric intake and weight loss. To lose weight, you need to consume fewer calories than you burn, creating a calorie deficit. A low-calorie food list acts as a guide, ensuring that you make wise food choices and maintain a calorie deficit consistently. By focusing on nutrient-dense, low-calorie options, you can achieve sustainable weight loss while nourishing your body with essential vitamins and minerals. Nutrient-dense vegetables. Vegetables are the foundation of a low-calorie diet. Opt for nutrient-dense options such as broccoli, cauliflower, kale, and spinach. These vegetables are low in calories and rich in vitamins, minerals, and fiber. Incorporating them into your meals not only helps control calorie intake but also provides numerous health benefits, including improved digestion and immune support. Lean protein sources. Protein is essential for weight loss as it promotes satiety, helps preserve muscle mass, and aids in the repair and growth of tissues. Choose lean protein sources like skinless chicken breast, turkey, tofu, fish, and Greek yogurt. These options are low in calories and high in protein, ensuring you stay full and satisfied while supporting your weight loss efforts. Fiber-rich fruits. Fruits are a delicious and nutritious addition to a low-calorie diet. Opt for fiber-rich fruits such as berries, apples, pears, and citrus fruits. These fruits are relatively low in calories and packed with fiber, which aids in digestion, helps you feel full, and satisfies your sweet cravings. Enjoy them as a snack or incorporate them into your breakfast or salads for added freshness and flavor. Whole grains and legumes. Whole grains and legumes are excellent sources of fiber, complex carbohydrates, and plant-based protein. Include options like quinoa, brown rice, oats, lentils, and chickpeas in your meals. These low-calorie choices provide sustained energy, keep you feeling fuller for longer, and contribute to a well-rounded diet. Healthy fats in moderation. Contrary to popular belief, healthy fats are crucial for a balanced diet and weight loss. Incorporate sources like avocados, nuts, seeds, and olive oil in moderation. These foods contain healthy fats that support brain function, provide essential fatty acids, and promote a feeling of satiety. Remember to watch portion sizes as fats are calorie-dense, but they can be included as part of a well-balanced meal plan. Beverages for weight loss. Proper hydration is essential for overall health and weight loss. Choose low-calorie beverages like water, herbal teas, and infused water with fresh fruits or herbs. These options help keep you hydrated, aid digestion, and curb unnecessary calorie consumption. Avoid sugary drinks and opt for natural, calorie-free choices. Herbs, spices, and flavorful additions enhance the taste of your low-calorie meals with herbs, spices, and flavorful additions. Fresh herbs like basil, cilantro, and mint, as well as spices like turmeric, cayenne pepper, and cinnamon, can add depth and complexity to your dishes without adding many calories. Experiment with these flavorful additions to make your meals more enjoyable and satisfying. Portion control and mindful eating. Portion control is key to successful weight management. Pay attention to serving sizes and listen to your body's hunger and fullness cues. Practicing mindful eating techniques such as eating slowly, savoring each bite, and focusing on the sensory experience of your meal can help you make conscious food choices and prevent overeating. Conclusion: incorporating a variety of low-calorie foods into your diet is a sustainable and effective approach to weight loss. By understanding the concept of calorie intake, choosing nutrient-dense vegetables, lean protein sources, fiber-rich fruits, whole grains, and healthy fats in moderation, you can create a well-rounded low-calorie food list. Remember to hydrate, experiment with flavors, practice portion control, and embrace mindful eating. With these strategies, you'll nourish your body, shed unwanted pounds, and embark on a journey towards a healthier, happier you.